Breaking news out of Texas, Bigfoot is real.
Some Bigfoot sightings in Wintergreen have been debunked.
A drone flew into what people are now calling Bigfoot's Hole, and what it captured has left the entire world terrified.
It could be a bison, it could be a bear, and it definitely could be Bigfoot.
They're more whatever they are, with a little bit of human.
People have searched for Bigfoot for years, but no one expected what was found deep inside that hidden cave. This could really be proof of the legendary creature or something even worse. What shocking evidence did the drone record that has everyone in disbelief? Tune in, because this discovery will change everything we thought we knew about Bigfoot. The discovery that shook the world. This horrifying event has reignited a debate that had long been relegated to the fringes of paranormal interest, drawing attention from experts, skeptics, and curious onlookers alike. The images and footage captured by the drone have shaken the world, forcing many to confront the possibility that Bigfoot might be more than just a campfire tale. What the drone uncovered in the cave was both fascinating and terrifying, sparking fear, intrigue, and endless speculation. Before we reveal what was found, it's clear that the truth is far more terrifying than anyone could have imagined, and this discovery won't be the only thing that will shock you. The legend of Bigfoot is one that has endured for generations. Often described as a large, hairy, human-like creature walking upright on two legs, Bigfoot has been sighted mostly in North America's dense forests and remote wilderness areas. From the Pacific Northwest to the Appalachian Mountains, people have claimed to see the giant figure lurking in the shadows, its large footprint left behind as evidence of its passage. But despite numerous sightings, blurry photographs, and controversial videos, concrete evidence proving Bigfoot's existence has always been elusive. For most, Bigfoot is a relic of American folklore, a creature born from the imagination of those who wander deep into the woods. Yet some die-hard enthusiasts, known as cryptozoologists, are certain that Bigfoot is real and may represent an undiscovered species, perhaps even a living fossil from an ancient past. Whether people view Bigfoot as a relic from the age of giants, an evolved form of primate, or simply a figment of mass hysteria, one thing remains certain: the question has captured the minds of people around the world for centuries. Countless expeditions have been organized with the goal of finding irrefutable evidence of Bigfoot's existence. Dedicated believers have spent years combing through dense forests, setting up hidden cameras, casting molds of oversized footprints, and interviewing those who claim to have had close encounters. But despite all of these efforts, no one has managed to capture Bigfoot or even produce solid proof beyond anecdotal evidence. The creature remains one of the greatest questions of our time, continuing to inspire stories, theories, and, of course, skepticism. In the remote wilderness of the Pacific Northwest, an area long known for frequent Bigfoot sightings, a group of amateur explorers made an astonishing discovery. Their travel into this vast, untamed region was initially for adventure and fun. They had no intention of hunting for Bigfoot or making any groundbreaking discoveries. However, deep in the heart of the forest, their hike led them to something they could never have anticipated. They came across a large cave hidden beneath the thick canopy of trees, completely covered by vegetation and almost invisible to anyone not actively looking for it. The cave entrance was massive, large enough for an adult to walk through upright, and the air around it had an eerie stillness. Birds and insects, which typically make the forest sound alive, seemed to vanish the closer they got to the entrance. It was as though they had stumbled upon a question hidden for millennia. Curious but cautious, the group decided to investigate. The interior of the cave was pitch black, and without proper gear, they weren't able to explore very far. The cave walls were lined with strange markings, faded by time but still discernible enough to be unsettling. The explorers felt uneasy the longer they stayed inside the cave, as though the air grew heavier the deeper they ventured. After only a few minutes, they retreated, marking the location on their maps to return with more advanced equipment later. What the explorers didn't realize at the time was that they had just discovered what would soon be called Bigfoot's Hole. This uncharted cave would become the focus of global attention in the weeks to come. But for the moment, it was simply a question waiting to be solved. Excitement grew when the group shared their photos and findings with a local Bigfoot enthusiast who had spent years researching every potential clue related to the creature. This individual believed that the cave could be the key to unlocking the Bigfoot problem. With the right technology, he believed they could explore the cave further and potentially uncover evidence of something extraordinary. Just when it seemed like everything was clear, the next part of their discovery shows something even more surprising. A creature emerges in the darkness. To investigate the cave without risking human lives, the group decided to send in a drone equipped with high-definition cameras and powerful lights. This way, they could explore areas of the cave that would be too dangerous or inaccessible to navigate on foot. The drone's mission was simple: fly into the cave, capture as much footage as possible, and return. But what it uncovered far exceeded anyone's expectations. The drone's travel started uneventfully. It flew slowly into the cave, its cameras broadcasting the eerie surroundings back to the team in real time. The walls, made of rough stone, seemed to stretch endlessly. The drone illuminated the cavern as it traveled deeper and deeper into the earth. Initially, the team saw nothing unusual, just the same rocky surface and darkened passageway. However, about 20 minutes into the drone's travel, things began to change. The air grew colder, much colder than what would be expected for a cave of this depth. Temperature readings from the drone plummeted dramatically, raising questions among the team. As the drone pressed forward, it entered a massive chamber that seemed to dwarf the narrow tunnels it had previously flown through. This chamber was unlike anything they had seen before, vast, echoing, and filled with an unsettling stillness. It was in this chamber that the drone's camera first picked up movement. What was initially a blur in the shadows soon became a moment of terrifying clarity. As the drone hovered near the center of the chamber, its powerful lights scanned the area, revealing more of the darkened space. At first, the team thought the chamber was empty, a vast hollow under the earth with nothing more than dust and stone to offer. But as the light moved, it revealed something unexpected and deeply unsettling. In one corner of the chamber, partially obscured by shadow, there was a large, unmoving figure. It was covered in thick, matted hair, and its shape was unmistakably humanoid. The figure appeared to be crouched low, its massive arms resting on the ground in front of it. The drone's cameras zoomed in, trying to capture a clearer view. What they saw sent shockwaves through the group, and soon through the world. The figure, now clearly visible on the screen, looked remarkably like the descriptions of Bigfoot that had circulated for decades. Its massive frame was hunched over with thick, muscular limbs covered in dark hair. The creature appeared to be watching the drone, its eyes faintly glowing in the dim light. It didn't move at first, as if it was observing the drone just as intently as the humans were observing it. For a few moments, there was complete silence among the team. They had just captured what many believed to be the first real footage of Bigfoot. But before they could process what they were seeing, the situation took a terrifying turn. Suddenly, the creature's head snapped toward the drone. Its eyes, previously dull and indifferent, now gleamed with an almost predatory focus. Without warning, the creature let out a deep rumbling growl that reverberated through the chamber. The sound was unlike anything the team had ever heard, primal, guttural, and filled with a power that felt almost unnatural. The drone shook violently, as if struck by a blast of air, and within seconds the camera feed went black. Back at the cave's entrance, the team watching the drone's live feed was thrown into chaos. The sudden loss of the video feed, combined with the terrifying growl they had heard over the speakers, left them shaken. They had no way of knowing what had just happened to the drone or the creature they had glimpsed on the screen. Attempts to reconnect with the drone failed, and the team was left with a difficult decision. The cave was far too dangerous to enter without proper equipment, and after what they had just witnessed, none of them were eager to venture inside. They decided to leave the cave and report what they had found to local authorities, hoping they could recover the drone and investigate further. Now, with the world paying attention, the video from inside the cave brings an even bigger argument to the surface. The footage that changed everything. However, the footage captured before the drone signal was lost quickly spread online. Someone had managed to upload it, and within hours, the images of the creature were being shared across social media platforms, news websites, and YouTube channels. The footage went viral, and the world was introduced to what appeared to be the most compelling evidence of Bigfoot's existence ever recorded. The reactions were immediate and intense. Some people were amazed by the footage, claiming it as undeniable proof that Bigfoot was real. Others were more skeptical, suggesting that the video could be a hoax or that the creature might be an undiscovered species of animal, but not necessarily Bigfoot. Regardless of the differing opinions, the footage captured by the drone had sparked a global conversation, and Bigfoot was back in the spotlight in a way that no one had ever anticipated. In the days and weeks that followed the release of the footage, speculation and debate ran rampant. News outlets from around the world picked up the story, interviewing experts in a variety of fields to weigh in on what had been captured inside the cave. Cryptozoologists, biologists, and even paranormal researchers offered their opinions, but no one could provide a definitive answer. Some cryptozoologists, long believers in the possibility of Bigfoot's existence, declared that this was the breakthrough they had been waiting for. They pointed out that the figure captured on the drone's camera fit the descriptions of Bigfoot that had been reported for decades: large, bipedal, and covered in thick hair. They argued that the cave could be part of an underground network of hideouts used by Bigfoot to avoid human detection. Other experts were more cautious. Some biologists suggested that the creature could be an undiscovered species of primate, one that had evolved to live in the remote regions of the forest. They pointed to the creature's physical characteristics, noting that while it resembled Bigfoot, it could also be a new species altogether, one that had managed to remain hidden from science. Of course, there were also those who were deeply skeptical. Some insisted that the footage had been doctored, or that the creature was a well-crafted hoax, perhaps a person in a suit or a cleverly staged stunt. These skeptics pointed out that no physical evidence, such as hair samples, DNA, or footprints, had been recovered from the cave, making it difficult to confirm the creature's identity with certainty. The theories didn't stop there. As the footage continued to circulate, more far-fetched ideas began to emerge. Some conspiracy theorists suggested that the creature might be a government experiment gone wrong, a genetically engineered being that had escaped into the wild. Others speculated that the cave itself might be a portal to another dimension, one where creatures like Bigfoot existed and occasionally crossed into our world. The discovery of the creature inside Bigfoot's hole had a profound impact on people around the world. For many, the footage confirmed what they had long suspected, that Bigfoot was real and that the creature had been living among us, hidden in the remote corners of the earth. But while some were excited by the possibility, others were filled with fear. The creature captured on the drone's camera didn't just look like a harmless mythical figure from folklore. It looked dangerous. The growl that had been recorded was unnerving, and many people began to wonder whether Bigfoot was as benign as some legends suggested. Was this creature an intelligent, sentient being capable of aggression? Or was it simply an animal reacting to the intrusion of the drone into its territory? This fear led to widespread anxiety, particularly among those who live near areas with reported Bigfoot sightings. Hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts began to rethink their trips into the wilderness, unsure of what might be lurking in the forests. Some national parks reported a decrease in visitors, while others saw an increase, as curious adventurers sought to catch a glimpse of the creature for themselves. The fascination with Bigfoot also led to a surge in media coverage. Television shows, documentaries, podcasts, and YouTube channels devoted to cryptozoology and the paranormal saw a massive spike in interest. People around the world were eager to learn more about Bigfoot, and every new theory or piece of footage was scrutinized in minute detail. But as people keep looking for answers, the unknown seems to get bigger, making everyone wonder what will happen next. Fear grows over what's hidden beneath. At the same time, the fear of what had been uncovered grew. The idea that such a creature could exist, hidden in the wilderness for so long, was unsettling. And the fact that it had been found in a cave, an underground lair far from the eyes of the world, only added to the sense of dread. What else could be hiding in the depths of the earth, waiting to be discovered? As the debate over the creature's identity continued, the global impact of the discovery became increasingly evident. In regions known for Bigfoot sightings, tourism surged. People flocked to the Pacific Northwest and other areas, hoping to catch a glimpse of the creature or visit the site where the footage had been captured. Guided tours, Bigfoot-themed merchandise, and even Bigfoot safaris became popular as entrepreneurs sought to capitalize on the newfound interest in the legend. Local authorities, however, were less enthusiastic. The cave where the drone had been lost was quickly closed off, with officials citing safety concerns as the reason for the closure. This only fueled conspiracy theories, as some people speculated that the government was trying to hide something or perhaps even protect the creature from being discovered. Meanwhile, the media frenzy showed no signs of slowing down. News outlets continued to cover the story, and investigative teams attempted to recover the drone or explore the cave further. However, every effort to send a new drone into the cave ended in failure. For reasons no one could explain, the drones would lose signal at the same spot as the original just before reaching the chamber where the creature had been found. This only deepened the whole thing, leaving many to wonder if the cave itself held some kind of supernatural power. The public was divided. Some people were convinced that the footage was the smoking gun, the proof that Bigfoot was real. Others dismissed it as a hoax or an elaborate prank designed to fool the world. But regardless of where people stood on the issue, one thing was clear. Bigfoot had once again captured the imagination of the world, and this time, the evidence was harder to ignore. It's been a long time since we first watched the video showing what some think might be Bigfoot's hideout. Despite this, the area is still blocked off from the public. No matter how many people have tried to get more information or find the drone that took the video, no new details have come out. The video is still being looked at by both experts and fans, each trying to understand what it might be showing. Was the shape caught on video really Bigfoot, or could it have been something else entirely? Maybe it was an animal we've never seen before, something from another place in the universe, or just a trick played by someone. These questions keep coming up, and so far nobody has any real answers. The video has definitely made us rethink the old Bigfoot tales. Whether Bigfoot is real or not, the video has sparked new interest and discussions. It makes us wonder if there might still be things in the world that we don't understand, hidden and just waiting for someone to find them. The story of Bigfoot has been around for a long time, and this legend, whether it's true or not, has caught the interest of many. As long as there are things that we can't explain, the search to find out more about this video and what it could mean will keep going. So, the video from what's being called Bigfoot's Hole has stirred up a lot of curiosity. The area is still not open to visitors, and despite many efforts, no one has been able to dig deeper or retrieve the drone. People are still watching the video over and over, debating and trying to pick apart what it might show. What did the drone capture? Was it actually Bigfoot? Or perhaps something else? Maybe a creature unknown to science, an alien, or simply a practical joke? These questions linger in the air with no definite answers in sight. However, this discovery has definitely changed how we view the Bigfoot legend. Real or not, the footage has rekindled debates and made us consider the possibility that there could still be unknown wonders in the world, hidden aspects that defy our understanding and are waiting to be uncovered. Is Bigfoot just a myth, or did this drone truly capture evidence that will finally prove its existence? Tell us what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.